Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Telegram stars using Ton in your Telegram wallet. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, install TonKeeper. Make sure you have installed the TonKeeper app. Connect to Fragment. Open your browser and go to fragment.com. You will see a few tabs. Click on Connect Ton. Choose TonKeeper as your wallet. This will open the TonKeeper app. In the TonKeeper app, select your account and click on Connect Wallet. Enter your passcode to confirm. Your wallet will now be connected to Fragment.com. Navigate to the stars section. Click on Buy Telegram Stars. Enter the Telegram username of the person you want to gift the stars to. This could be your own username or someone else's. Click Search. Scroll down and choose the number of Telegram stars you want to buy. For example, if you want 350, enter the number and click Next. You can also explore star packages for better deals. Once you have selected your quantity, click on Buy Telegram Stars. Confirm the transaction to finalize your purchase. The required Ton will be deducted from your wallet. After 2 to 5 minutes, check your Telegram account. You will receive a message confirming the stars have been successfully credited. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.